Mondragon Assembly is made up of people. People from different cultures. People with different profiles. People with different roles. With different studies. And with different preferences in their lives. People who traditionally celebrate different festivities, with different gastronomies and different traditions. People living in different places with different landscapes and climates. Different religious beliefs, educational systems, and sets of values accompanied with diverse native languages. We are different, yes, but we all work for the same objective at Mondragon Assembly, and this is what joins us: the commitment to a common goal. At Mondragon Assembly, we work on challenging projects, and a new day is a new challenge for us. But how do we face a challenge every day? Passion, teamwork, and commitment are the key, and this is our DNA. We started on this adventure in 1977 with a lot of energy, illusion, and passion. Little by little, and with a lot of hard work, we have been growing to become what we are today. We are a company that has grown a lot since its beginnings, but still maintains the essence and closeness of its origins. Together, all united, learning from each other and helping each other, we move forward in the construction of our path. 600 people. 600 dreams. 600 lives, and only one goal. We are Mondragon Assembly.